How to play a trap beat on acoustic drums. Now obviously there's loads of different combinations you could use. I'm just giving you one option as to how you can play this. And yes, I am using an 808 sound because I have the luxury of having an electric kit. But it doesn't matter, you can still play this on acoustic. First things first, before we get the twiddly bit in, let's play the basic groove. So this is played 16th note in the hi-hat. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Now it's really important stylistically, to make this stylistically appropriate, you're going to want to play these hi-hats as even as you can possibly get. So no rock hi-hats going on. Not that you can really hear it, but if you went onto an acoustic kit, you can hear the unevenness in the sound. What you really want is this. And I'm just doing that with a thumb on top of the stick. So try and keep all the notes as equal as possible. So the pattern, snare drum on 2 and 4 through the whole thing. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. This might be quite fast for you starting out, but just take it nice and slow. Try and relax as much as you can into it. Remember, it's about efficiency and making the stick work for you and the drum work for you. So it really wants to bounce back at you. Try and utilize that energy. So we got that. And a 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. The bass drum pattern is up here. So we got bass drums on beat 1 and the of 1, 1 E and a. Then a bass drum on the and of 2, 1 E and a, 2 E and a. And the last bass drum is on the and of 3, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. Now the twiddly bit. A little bit hard to count because it's technically 30-second notes, but just go by what it sounds like. All you're really doing is putting a left hand in between all your right hands. This is still going. Again, try and make it sound nice and even. And we're going to put it here in beat 3. 3 E and a. Remember there's a bass drum on the and. 3 E and a. And you're going to put one left hand between those first two hi-hats. 3 E and a. 3 E and a. And if you want to play more cool grooves like this, check out the New Drummers Toolkit. It will give you a whole well-rounded view of all the different grooves that you need to know as a drummer. Take it nice and slow, relax your right hand, see how it goes, let me know.